two part. First I will take second part. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. This question is very important, and this question carries 4 marks. Now you see first of all, you see that is constant. This constant, the constant is 5. Factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Student, it is hit and trial method. First of all, you put in place of x this factor 1, and if after putting it becomes 0, the remainder equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. If after putting it is not equal to 0, then you will put a next number minus 1, and after putting minus 1 it becomes 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. You see very attentively. First you put 1, then you take in place of x 1 cube, 3, 1 square, minus 9 into 1 minus 5, minus 1, 3 into 1 3, minus 9 minus 5 is not equal to 0. So again you put minus 1, then you will put minus 1 here, then minus 1 cube, minus 1, minus 1 square, 1 into 3, 3, minus minus plus 9, here minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 9 plus 9. And after putting x is equal to minus 1, it becomes 0. You make it fair. It is your rough work. Now in place of x you will put minus 1, p of minus 1, minus 1 cube, minus 3, minus 1 square, minus 9, in place of x minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 cube, you know very well, minus 1 raised to the power odd number always minus 1, minus 1 square, positive, into minus 3, minus minus plus 9, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 and minus 5, minus 9, plus 9, cancel out between p of minus 1 equal to 0 by factor theorem. If after putting x is equal to minus 1, it becomes 0, so you transfer this minus 1 right to left. X plus 1 is a factor of p of x, and after that you will divide this polynomial by the factor of this x plus 1, and then x cube divided by x square into x cube, x square into x square, sign will be change, this minus plus into minus, then minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square, bring down minus 9x and minus 5, and then minus 4x square divided by x minus 4x you put here, minus 4x into x minus 4x square, plus minus 4x, then sign will be changed, minus into plus and minus into plus, then we cancel out, minus 9x plus 4x, then minus 5x, bring down minus 5 here, then minus 5x divided by this x, you will get minus 5 into x minus 5x, minus plus minus 5 anja 5, and you change the sign and they are cancel out, and then you split the middle term of this quotient x square minus 4x minus 5. You will get coefficient of x square 1 into minus 5, product multiply will be minus 5, addition will be minus 4, as I had told in lecture number 10, and then factor of 1 into 5, and then if you put in place of minus 5, addition will be minus 4 and multiply will be minus 5. So this in place of minus 4 you can write minus 5x plus x. Clear? And if you add together you will find this one. And what is common? Make the pair. Common is x minus 5 plus 1 is common, x minus 5 is x plus 1, or x minus 5 is common, you can put here or here, no problem. So this type you can factorize this polynomial. Now, part third, you factorize this one. If you put in place of x equal to 1, you never get 0 because all are positive. And after putting x equal to -1, you will find p of -1 cube 30 minus 1 square 32 into -1 plus 20 -1 cube 3 -1 square 1 into 13 plus minus 32 plus 20 and -1 -32 -33 and 13 plus 20 plus 33 cancel out and you will get 0. If after putting it equal to 0, p of -1 equal to 0, by factor theorem, x, this you transfer this one plus 1 is a factor of p of x, then you divide this by factor this one, and then you will get x cube divided by x, you will get x square into x cube, x square into 1, x square, sign will be change, and then this will cancel out. 13x square minus x square, 12x square plus 32x plus 20, then 12x square divided by x, you will get 12x into x, 12x square, 12x into x, 12x, sign will be change, and then you cancel out. 32x minus 12, 20x plus 20, bring down this one, and 20x divided by this, you will get 20 into x, 20x, 20 into 1, 20, and sign will be changed, so cancel out, and you split the middle term of this one, x square into 20, product must be 20 or addition will be 12. So you can guess this 2 into 10 equal to 20, multiply 20, addition will be 12. So in place of 12x, you can write 2x plus 10x. These you add together, you will find this one. And what is common? X square and 2x. X is common, x plus 2 is left, plus 10 is common, x plus 2 is left. Then x plus 2 is common here, and x plus 10 is left. So factor of this polynomial is x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 10. Similarly, you can complete this question number 5. Thank you.